One of the things we talk about in data structures course a lot is using recursion to solve problems. A lot of times students who come into the course, they're used to solving problems using loops. And a good analogy for that is, imagine that you show up at a movie theater and you know there's only 200 seats and it's first come, first serve. So you're at the end of a long line and you want to know, am I even going to make it in? In a loop, you would initialize a counter variable in your head and you would walk down, and for every person, you would add 1 to that counter. And when you get to the front of the line, you know how many people are in the line. Recursion is similar to staying in line and tapping the shoulder of the person in front of you and saying, how far back are you? And that person taps the shoulder of the person in front of them. And each of those taps is what's called a recursive call. And you get down to the front of the line and the person says, I'm number 1. But at that point, we don't know the length. The length actually gets built up on the way back. So recursion is very different than using a loop, but it's a really important way of thinking about problems.